You want to make money online, right? Everyone's talking about passive income. Affiliate marketing is a real deal, and YouTube is the perfect playground. Imagine this. You recommend cool products to your viewers, they buy, and boom, you earn a commission. That's YouTube affiliate marketing in a nutshell. This guide is your golden ticket. We'll break it down step by step so you can start earning today. No fluff, just actionable advice. We'll cover everything from finding the right products to promoting them like a pro. The best part, you don't need a million subscribers or fancy equipment to succeed. If you're passionate about something, anything, you can turn that passion into profit with YouTube affiliate marketing. Gaming, makeup, cooking, you name it. There's an audience out there waiting to discover new products through you. So, are you ready to unlock a world of earning potential? Let's dive in. Affiliate marketing is like being a brand ambassador, but way cooler. You partner with brands and promote their products or services to your audience. When someone clicks your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you get a cut of the sale. It's that simple. Why is this perfect for beginners? Low barrier to entry. You don't need to create your own products, deal with inventory, or handle customer service. Just focus on what you do best, creating engaging content. Plus, the earning potential is unlimited. The more you promote, the more you can earn. It's all about finding the right products for your audience and promoting them authentically. Think about it. What products do you use and love? What problems do your viewers have that you can help solve? Answer these questions and you're already halfway there. Ready to jump in? Here's your step-by-step guide. First, what are you passionate about? Gaming, beauty, fitness? Find your niche and stick to it. This helps you attract a targeted audience interested in specific products. Second, content is king. Create valuable, engaging videos that provide real value to your viewers. Think tutorials, reviews, comparisons, or even vlogs featuring the products you're promoting. Third, research and join affiliate programs that align with your niche. Amazon Associates is a great starting point, but explore niche-specific programs for higher commissions. Fourth, be upfront and honest with your viewers. Disclose your affiliate links in your video descriptions to maintain transparency and build trust. Fifth, don't just shove products down your viewers' throats. Integrate them naturally into your content and provide genuine recommendations. Remember, people buy from people they trust. Section 4. Turbocharge your earnings, tips and tricks for success. Want to take your affiliate earnings to the next level? Here's how. First, focus on keywords. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your search ranking and attract more viewers. Second, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a community around your channel. The more engaged your audience, the more likely they are to trust your recommendations. Third, leverage social media. Promote your YouTube videos on other platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to expand your reach and drive traffic to your channel. Fourth, offer exclusive deals. Negotiate exclusive discounts or offers with brands to incentivize your viewers to purchase through your links. And finally, stay consistent. Consistency is key in the YouTube game. Upload new videos regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Section 5. Measuring your success. Tracking and analyzing your affiliate marketing efforts. You can't improve what you don't track. Monitor your affiliate marketing performance to see what's working and what's not. First, use analytics. Most affiliate programs provide detailed dashboards with metrics like clicks, conversions, and earnings. Use this data to track your progress and identify areas for improvement. Second, track your links. Use URL shorteners with tracking capabilities to monitor which videos and links are driving the most conversions. Third, A/B test your content. Experiment with different video formats, titles, and calls to action to see what resonates best with your audience. And fourth, ask for feedback. Don't be afraid to ask your viewers what they want to see more of. Their feedback can provide valuable insights to optimize your content and affiliate promotions. Section 6. Ready, set, go. Start your affiliate marketing journey today. There you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to conquer the world of YouTube affiliate marketing. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Be patient, stay consistent, and always prioritize providing value to your audience. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that anyone can do it. You don't need to be a tech guru or a marketing expert. Just be yourself, be passionate, and be willing to learn and adapt along the way. So what are you waiting for? Start creating, start promoting, and start earning. The world of passive income awaits. You got this.